Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a product that many AirPods users might find incredibly useful, especially if they've noticed their beloved earbuds aren't quite as pristine as they once were. We're talking about the Belkin AirPods cleaning kit, specifically designed for one-time use. Now, anyone who uses AirPods regularly knows the struggle. Over time, earwax, dust, and general grime can accumulate, not only making the earbuds look a bit unappealing, but also potentially affecting sound quality. Muffled audio or reduced volume can often be attributed to these tiny blockages. That's where a dedicated cleaning solution like this one comes into play. The Belkin kit is marketed as a fast, easy, and safe way to tackle this common problem. The one-time use aspect is quite interesting. It means that each kit provides a fresh set of tools, ensuring maximum hygiene and effectiveness without the need to clean or store used implements. This approach simplifies the process considerably. There's no guesswork involved in what to use or how to maintain the cleaning tools themselves. When it comes to the actual cleaning process, the kit is designed to be incredibly straightforward. Users won't need to be tech wizards or have specialized knowledge. The instructions are clear, guiding one through the steps to safely remove accumulated debris. The primary claim is that it safely removes an impressive 99% of earwax and dirt. This isn't just about aesthetics. It's about restoring the earbuds to their optimal performance. Imagine getting back that crisp, clear audio you experienced when your AirPods were brand new. That's the promise here. The safety aspect is paramount, especially when dealing with delicate electronics like AirPods. Belkin has engineered this kit to be gentle yet effective, minimizing any risk of damage to the speaker meshes, microphones, or charging contacts. This peace of mind is a significant selling point for anyone hesitant about sticking foreign objects into their expensive earbuds. Compatibility is also a key factor, and this kit is specifically designed for AirPods Gen 1, Gen 2, and Gen 3. So, if you own any of these popular models, this cleaning solution is tailored for your specific needs. It's not a generic cleaner. It's purpose-built for the unique design of AirPods. Ultimately, the goal of this kit is to restore your earbuds. This means not just making them look clean, but also ensuring they sound their best. For those who rely on their AirPods daily for music, calls, or podcasts, maintaining their performance is crucial. A clean earbud means better sound transmission and potentially a more comfortable fit, as accumulated gunk can sometimes alter how they sit in the ear. In summary, the Belkin AirPods cleaning kit offers a convenient, hygienic, and effective solution for a common problem. It takes the guesswork out of cleaning, provides specialized tools for safe operation, and aims to bring your AirPods back to their original glory, both in appearance and sound quality. It's a small investment for maintaining the longevity and performance of a frequently used device.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.